Hi guys, a pleasant good day to you all. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious buttermilk oven baked whole chicken. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have my whole chicken. I already went ahead and washed it and removed the backbone, and I'll be using some seasoned salt, some chili powder, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, and some rotisserie chicken seasoning. I also have here my buttermilk and fresh green seasoning, which I will leave the link to that down in the description box. So first things first, you want to combine all of the ingredients, starting with the buttermilk. And you want to mix this for a good little while. Let's say about 10 minutes or so. You want to mix because you want to make sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. Remember, the milk is a little cold, so it can take a while for the seasonings to dissolve. So you want to take that time and mix it well. Once you're done, you want to pour it over top of the chicken and make sure that the chicken is well saturated. We're going to cover this and place it in the fridge overnight. So fast forward to the next day, you want to take the chicken out of the fridge and place it on a wire rack so it can drain. You want to drain most of that buttermilk off before proceeding to the next step. The chicken will also come up to room temperature as it sits for about 30 to 40 minutes, and I will show you what we'll do next. So once the chicken is drained really well, we'll go ahead and just coat it with a little bit of rotisserie chicken seasoning, some salt-free Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning, and some sazon for that color. Sazon give your chicken a beautiful color. So we're gonna combine them all, and we're gonna gently just drizzle, with your fingers. You want to put that seasoning, an even coating on the chicken. I did not rub it in. I left it just as it was. And you want to do this to both sides. You want to just put that seasoning, an even coating over top of the chicken. Then we will cover this with some foil wrap, and we will place it in the oven for about 40 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 40 minutes, this is how the chicken is looking. Now you want to remove the foil wrap, place it back into the oven for another 30 to 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes more, my chicken is all done. It smells divine. I can't wait to dig in. It looks amazing as well. This will be perfect for your Christmas tables. If you're a chicken lover, this will definitely be the one for you. And look how the leg just removed with ease. It was so tender, moist, and juicy. I can't wait for you all to try it. I did serve it up with some macaroni salad, corn pie, and fried cabbage. It was mouth-watering delicious. Like I said, give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.